Hey folks, Todd from Jamaica Cottage Shop here. We have a 12 by 20 Xylia here at Jamaica Cottage Shop. As you can see, we have a couple of awning windows on the front. Each gable end has a double hung window. This particular unit actually has the premium roof trim package that's on it. The exterior is board and batten siding, of course, eastern white pine. The pass door here is insulated as well. People buy this typically for a home office or a little camp out back or that type of situation. So we refer to this as a four seasons. So we have a little bit of insulation in here. We have R21 in the ceiling and we have R12 in the walls. Now the R12 is sandwiched between the 1x12 shiplap here and the board and batten siding on the outside, so that you can still see all the exposed hemlock framing on the interior here. And of course the ceiling also has the 1x12 shiplap as well. So if you'd like to take a look at this one, come on down to Jamaica Cottage Shop in South Londonderry, Vermont.